Okay, so this is really bad. I'm not sure if you can do it, but I have trained my mind to do this. So when I buy something expensive, I tend to erase the price away from my mind so that I don't have to think about it and I don't have to torture myself. Me looking at the price right now, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, that's so expensive. And then the minute I close this fucking envelope, I can promise you that I won't remember how much I paid for this. Hi, so I'm actually filming in my new apartment right now. I really don't know how I sound right now until I edit this video. I feel like it's going to be a little bit like echoey. I actually really like the all white background with this mustard yellow chair. It looks really fun. Anyways, I have said several times in the past that I am trying to shift myself away from Gucci because I legitimately own a somewhat big collection from them already, and this time I got an item from Prada, and I also received a gift for my birthday also from Prada. I wonder why. I wonder how they know that I love Prada. How did they know? How did they know I love Prada? Oh my god, that sounds so fucking annoying. What the fuck was that? Anyway, so in today's video, I will unbox these items for you and show you what I received. Trust me, you don't want to miss this because it's going to be mind-blowing, it's going to be amazing. And so you have to stay and watch this whole video. Yes, this whole fucking video from the beginning to the end. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below and follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I am super active on Instagram and I have been posting a lot of photos showcasing my outfits outside of my YouTube channel. So if you would like, give it a follow, and also I will follow you back. So let's take a look at the very first item. I'm so excited to unbox and show you guys what's inside. So for this item, I decided to go to the Prada store on Rodeo Drive and treat myself to a nice birthday gift. So I don't know if you can guess by the shape of the box, but let me start by saying that I have been very into ties lately. If you already watched my past thrift hauls, you know that I've been thrifting a lot of ties to add to my wardrobe, which led me to the Prada tie. So let me go ahead and open the box finally and show you guys what's inside. So it comes with this elastic band that has the logo on it, and it has the Prada logo. So pretty. I love the simple packaging. I love that it was not like a cheesy ribbon wrapping around or anything like that. It was just a simple elastic band. So it looks like this. And then when you open the wrapping paper, this is the tie. Oh my god! I can't fucking scream because I don't want to bother my neighbors, but bitch, every time I look at this tie, I just wanted to fucking scream. It's so pretty. Now I know that a lot of shady people out there are looking at this video and saying things like, it's just a simple tie, it's just a simple black tie, you're buying the logo, blah 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 blah. First of all, I don't give a fuck. And second of all, I know that a lot of designer items are just expensive because of the logo, but this tie is more than that. Unlike other ties, the fabric is their signature nylon fabric. Super special. That already made me excited to wear the tie. And then look at the fucking logo. This is so adorable. I fucking love this so much. And then another thing I love about this tie is that there are a lot of ways you can wear it. Basically, you can wear, sorry, oh my god. Okay, so basically you can wear it like super short like this, and then you can tuck the back inside your button up so you can hide a long tail. So basically like this. Oh, or you can wear it super long. So you can wear it like all the way down here. right? Or you can tuck half of the tie in your shirt and just leave the logo showing in between. So when I was getting this tie, the only thing that I was worried about was the length. I was not sure where the tie would lay on my body, so I decided to see it in person. So upon seeing it in person, I fell in love with it and I just wanted to get it right away. I was like, who the fuck cares about the length? I just wanted this fucking tie because it's just so simple and so adorable. And I feel like I just turned a year older, so now my style slightly changed. I am shifting towards something a little bit more conservative. Not that I'm a conservative person, but I wanted to look very like, I don't know, like conservative chic, if that makes sense. But yeah, fuck the conservatives. Oh my god. Oh, who said that? So now for the price. I actually don't remember. So this is what I do, which is really, really bad. I have trained my mind to do this. So when I buy something expensive, I tend to erase the price away from my mind so that I don't have to think about it and I don't have to torture myself. Me looking at the price right now, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, that's so expensive. And then the minute I close this fucking envelope, I can promise you that I won't remember how much I paid for this tie. Okay, so the price before tax is $355, and with tax, the total came out to be $388.73. So I haven't had a chance to wear this tie yet, but I have a lot and lots of outfits planned for this tie. Also, if you look at this item, it is so timeless. You know, it's just a classic Prada tie that I can wear for many, many years to come. And also the nylon fabric is super high quality. It's really nice, really smooth. I just really don't want to scratch it somehow, so I really have to handle this with care. And now I'm about to review the most exciting gift I received for my birthday. It's also from Prada, and I am just going to open the box and show you guys. So you open the box, the wrapping papers. Look at this. Are they fucking adorable or what? Oh my god, every time I see cute shoes, I just wanted to cry. I don't know why. It's kind of the same thing when you see like a cute dog or like a cute cat and you're just like, oh my god, you're so adorable. It's the same thing when I see cute shoes, and it's kind of bad because having an addiction like that is just not healthy at all. But so I haven't had the chance to really talk about these shoes because I was just busy crying for the past 5 minutes. But these are the Monolith leather pointed platform loafers from Prada. They may look heavy, but in reality they are super light. Like they're literally so light. And I love these shoes so fucking much. I have always wanted a pair of shoes from Prada other than those sneakers I bought, but ideally I wanted these. But since I received them as a gift for my birthday, I guess I don't have to spend money to get these shoes anymore. So the platform is very high, but at the same time it's at the perfect length. And I love the fact that they're like pointed. I think junky shoes or derby shoes are still big and will be big for the next few years. I mean, the junky platform boots, they're still big. And I feel like you can wear these shoes in any season, honestly. I would love to wear these with some high top socks or with hidden socks. The leather is exquisite, super glossy, yet high quality. If I were to scratch these on accident, I'm not sure if the scratches would be obvious or not, so we'll find out soon in the future once I start wearing these. So the person who gave me this gift also included the receipt, and I think that was very kind of them because it's good to know that this is not from DHgate or AliExpress. So that's kind of nice. I may or may not design some custom outfits to go with these shoes and the tie. So can't wait to show you guys what I plan for my outfit with these items. So I'm still high off of these, okay? Like every time I pull them out of the box, I get fucking high. So yeah, just give me a moment. Let me calm my nerves down a little bit and then we'll continue with this video. And that's about it for this haul. What did you guys think of this Prada haul? Did you guys enjoy watching it? Do you guys want more videos like this? Not that I'm gonna shop, so I can make more shopping videos. Sound off in the comment section below. I would love to find out. Other than that, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And once again, I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all of my viewers, to all of my subscribers. With that being said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It's completely free. So please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at berry.snatch. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!